Hi everyone, and welcome to our TrojanLabel T2C tech support video series. Today, we'll review initial unboxing and setup. Your new T2C will arrive in a wooden box. It's easiest to use a pallet jack to move it into place before uncrating. Make sure you have at least 2 people to lift it off the pallet after you unbox the machine. There will be a tool to remove the metal straps located on the bottom portion of the crate, seen here. Use this tool to pry the metal straps, but do so carefully, holding one hand over the strap to keep it from flying off. Start with the top, then remove the sides. Lift out the additional packing materials inside the crate. There will be a printhead, power cord, ink container cover, Allen wrench, and USB drive with software and manuals included. Set these aside for now. Once you remove the materials from the top of the box, you can begin prying the metal straps from the sides of the box. As you remove the metal straps, you can pull the box apart piece by piece. Once all of the sides are removed, you can take the white styrofoam off of the T2C. Now that you've completely taken the box apart, you can remove the plastic from the top. Simply cut it away and expose the T2C printer so you have access to the 4 red ties that you see here. Prior to using the T2C, make sure that you find and remove all of the red tie wraps that are pictured here in this video. Let's take a closer look so you don't miss the ones hidden underneath. You'll see the 2 tie wraps right on top. To access the others, you'll have to look from underneath. You can see the 2 tie wraps right here. Please cut those before you begin setting up and initializing the printer. Once you remove the red tie wraps, you can take the plastic bags off the ink connectors. With 2 people, lift the T2C onto a sturdy table. The printer should be placed on top of a level, sturdy table that can handle 132 pounds or more. And the printer itself should be horizontally level. Once it's in its final location, you can continue the setup. Now we'll show you how to unbox the ink tank and connect it to the T2C. Before you begin this process, make sure you've removed the tie wraps and the plastic bags from the ink connectors. Now that the ink tanks have been removed from their containers, you can connect them to the correct color-coded lines. Don't install the printhead yet. Wait until the ink tank initialization has finished. Before you turn on the printer for the first time, check the emergency stop button on the top right corner of the printer. This button can get pressed down during shipping. This will engage the emergency stop function. If the printer is on, you'll notice a message on the right-hand side of the screen. Before powering on the machine, disengage the button by twisting the lock clockwise. The button will pop up once it's no longer engaged. With the ink tanks connected, power on the printer. The printer will automatically go into reservoir fill mode. In approximately 15 to 20 minutes, it will be finished with filling all of the reservoirs, and you can continue on to inserting the printhead from here. If you take a look closely here at the screen, you'll see the ink tanks down below, and right above you'll see the reservoir filling up. In our next video, learn how to insert the printhead. Thank you for watching our T2C tech support video tutorial. For additional video tutorials, please visit our TrojanLabel T2C playlist. Thank you very much.